buses. I know. Buses pulling in. Oh.
I turned 20 yesterday.
Congratulations.
And I did not bring the new clothes to you. Oh! Here comes my American. Everybody say good morning to Bill in 3. 1, 2, 3. Morning!
Morning, Bill.
Hey, buddy, when you tell me yesterday was your birthday?
Ah! Yeah, he found out.
What?
My father told you.
Huh?
I got my father told you.
No, I just know these things.
Okay, it's
Yeah, me too. Oh shit. Oh. That would have been a good video. That would have been a good ass video.
That's why you don't stand directly behind a bus.
Yeah.
We stand off to the side.
Did you have a cake or cupcakes?
Cake.
What kind of cake? Chocolate or vanilla?
Where's cookie dough?
Cookie dough.
Yep.
Nice.
You know we're doing third period? Well, we ain't been doing it. The whole thing COVID.
Yeah.
There's this kind of car right in front of us.
Well, yeah, it's front and center. See you nice and
We
early.
did that last year. That's very fun.
So is your full name Zachary or Zach?
Doesn't matter. People shorten it.
Well, no, I'm saying Zachary. That's what your given name is.
Yeah, but they shorten it.
And on your cake, did your parents write Zach or Zach?
Now they go Zach. They shorten it. Yeah, so I got a new phone and a clock.
A new phone?
Well,
What phone did you get?
Oh, iPhone 5S. But the new phone at home couldn't run to all my stuff yet. Has to be transferred over and Wi-Fi.
Here comes no.
My father said leave it at home. And make sure it's turned off. So I left it in the box where it came in. And he just left it.
Did that today?
I don't know yet. I'm doing it tomorrow before I went home. So I have them over to home. What?
She's going inside.
Alright.
No 81.
We're almost done, boy.
Oh, I am.
Michael, Kyle, Bailey, Adam.
Yeah, I'm right here, you dumb shit.
Morning.
Morning. And that's the video.